first of all, I was born Erin Jones Delaney from Tāupō. When I went home and told my dad that we were getting married, Dad said to me, "You know, Erin, when you marry a Māori, you marry the family." And I thought, so? Because I said back to him, Dad, when you marry a Delaney, you marry the family. So I see a similarity between, like who I am and how we are to what I've come to what Manutuke is. When I first came here, I had no conception, no idea about anything. So I just I treated people as I expect to be treated. And I learned as I went along. When I first came, it was like, you got to be here for at least 10 years before you even considered to be a local, if not 30 years. Well, I've been here 30 years now. When we came back from Melbourne, there was a bit of a renaissance going on with the language and that type of thing. And so when I was here, Mona Brown, she said to me, "Erin, we need to take your baby and put him into Kōhanga Reo." I just thought about that then. I thought, well, actually my kids are living here now. We're in Manutuke and they need to know who they are and what they're about, and they need to walk in both worlds. Having lived here this long, I get it. My children, this is their tūranga waiwai, this is where they belong. My children will be away overseas, or they'll be down at uni, and they have to come home. They have to come home to get their feet on the ground. They have to come home to go to the river, because it's where they revitalise themselves again, and I get it. When Erika passed away, and this is to do with the community, when we came back from the hospital and she'd been taken to the undertaker, we drove in the driveway and there was like 200 people there waiting for us. Our whole whānau. And they are whānau to me. And that was just to greet us. There's 5 churches around Gisborne praying for her that the coroner would not take her. And that's the community spirit. That's that community spirit that we have that supported me and our whole family through all of this. Without them, I wouldn't have made it. Over the days, there was thousands of people who came to pay their respects, to talk about her, to bring their tears. So I say, as our hearts were breaking, the grace of all of those people who supported us, our community, filled our hearts with their love.